if you enjoy being over there, stay. Don't make, because coming over me, people are carrying you spy and make pay a problem in our camp. Stay where you are and do what you wish to do. Support who you wish to support. Never ever once tell her no support Abel. And she specifically told me that from last year. Say Abel no one she give me. She have to come on fake page for watch me. What the fuck you telling me about? And I fucking knew this from how long, and I've never ever said nothing. Because it never really matter. But what Abel fucking thought, because the lady's not gifting me, we're not cool. Bitch ass nigga, I'm not about the lady's gift. People gift me, I come beg, and me appreciate it, but there's a lot of people and we build bond. Where we socialize, we communicate. And I'll never ever want somebody to damage them whole life just to gift me. Never. So if gifting me, I'm gonna make you put yourself in a debt and put yourself in a certain compromising position. I'll never want you to do that. Because I don't only care about the gift that you're giving me. I also care about them as individuals. Because people work their hard, earn money. They never just come blood clot, pick it off a tree. So if you're not concerned about them as an individual that's gifting you, that means you're fucking evil. Not because them a gift you. Sometimes you can tell them, and me do these things. Sometimes you can tell your gift to them easy liquor and focus on them blood clot personal life. And get them fucking house intact and make sure say everything on track with them. Because with no fucking money no grow up on tree. And it doesn't matter who you are and how much you have, it can done. It can blood clot done. So if you're somebody who can tell a gift to them, say ease off more time and go and stack up your dollar because me see I've spent a lot of money and you spend a certain amount of money, you're not good. You only care about what the person can give you, but not about the person's fucking well-being. You don't fucking care about that. And a lot of people, you don't understand these shit. That's why you talk shit. Because most of these niggas on the fucking app, they only care about what the people them giving them. But the moment the people them don't have nothing to give them, they don't even mention their name no more. Go ask that blood clot. All when Lady Louise never give me. Every fucking day I big them up same way. Most fucking days I big them up same way. All when them now come, go and ask. Go and fucking check. Because I appreciate what they did and not what they're not doing. It's a fucking difference.